Imagine spending 27 years locked away from freedom, from your loved ones, from the fight for justice. Today we explore the story of Nelson Mandela, a man whose hope remained unbroken even in the darkest of times. Nelson Mandela, a young lawyer and activist, dedicated his life to fighting against apartheid in South Africa. His unwavering belief in equality landed him imprisoned on Robben Island. But within those cold walls, something extraordinary happened. Mandela didn't allow his spirit to be confined. He found solace in education and self-improvement. He led protests and hunger strikes within the prison walls, inspiring his fellow inmates. He never lost sight of his dream of a free and united South Africa. After 27 long years, Mandela emerged from prison not a broken man, but a beacon of hope. He chose forgiveness over revenge, a testament to the power of his unwavering belief in a better future. Nelson Mandela's story is a testament to the human spirit's incredible resilience. No matter how challenging life may seem, hope can be a powerful weapon. Let Mandela's story inspire you to never give up on your dreams and to fight for a brighter future, no matter the obstacles. If you found this message inspiring, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more stories of hope and resilience.